In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print single check from QuickBooks Online. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar. You'll use the Create option there, sometimes labeled Create or Plus New because that's where you begin any new transaction. From the menu that opens, go to the Suppliers section. This is where you manage payments to vendors. Choose Check to open a new check form. At the top of the form, select your payee. This should be the supplier or person you're paying. If they're already in your list, pick them. If not, you can add them so their details save for next time. Next, choose the bank account you want the funds to come from. Double check this since it determines which register and balance will be affected. Add or confirm the mailing address. Even if you're printing the check in-house, the address helps keep vendor records tidy and ensures the printed remittance details are accurate. Now set the payment date. Make sure the date reflects when you want the expense to post in your books. Move down to the category details. Pick the expense account that best describes what you're paying for. For example, office supplies, utilities, or another relevant account in your chart of accounts. In the description field, type a clear note, like the invoice reference or purpose of the payment. Then enter the amount for this line. If your check covers multiple items, you can add additional lines with their own categories, descriptions, and amounts. If the cost is billable to a client, turn on billable and set the appropriate rate or markup as needed. Then assign the customer or project so you can pass the cost through later on your invoice. If this payment is not billable, simply leave that option off. Once everything is filled out, review the form from top to bottom to make sure the payee, bank account, date, category, description, and total all look right. When you're confident it's accurate, click Save. After saving, look for the print option near the bottom of the form and select Print. A print preview will open. Carefully verify every detail, payee name, date, amount in numbers and words, address, and memo or description. Make sure the check layout matches your check stock. If anything needs adjustment, close the preview, edit the check, and save again. When everything looks perfect, click Print to finalize and send the check to your printer. That's it. Your single check is created, saved, and printed from QuickBooks Online.